Cabin service renewal was one of the difficult things that we had to face with because Korean Air was always known for its service. How can we top this without impacting the service level or expectations that customer had? Cabin experience to Korean Air means everything.
I would say the core concept of service is about creating heart-to-heart connections. So the goal that we have here is to build genuine relationships with our passengers. It's not just about providing them with a service.
Cabin experience is very difficult to determine what makes the right choice, what the right choice should be. The best way to understand this was for us to experience it ourselves. So rather than us thinking from a Korean Air supplying something or service to customers, we actually put ourselves in the customer's shoes.
사실 승객분들의 요구는 시대에 따라 변하는 것도 있고 변하지 않는 것도 있는데요. 기본적으로 변하지 않는 요구는 넓은 본인만의 공간을 항상 원하시죠. 그래서 그 공간적인 부분에 대해서 저희가 가장 집중을 하고 대한항공의 아이덴티티에 대한 이해가 가장 높았던 크리스만 구드와 최종적으로 함께하게 되었습니다.
I think the real key thing for passengers at the moment, it is comfort. Always has been. They want the best experience and the most relaxed. Chris and Good have been developing with Korean Air the new prestige class cabin and the economy class cabin. All of the seat suppliers have developed so much technology to give you a really comfortable seat, and with Korean Air we've been doing that. The really exciting thing for Korean Air's new cabin is that it's a complete new rebrand internally. We're trying to push the trim and finish of the interior to have a really strong global appeal. It's a very different look from what it used to be. And make sure that that product becomes contemporary design, but it also becomes timeless. Making sure that when we talk about an international look, it also has references to Korean heritage, so some of the pattern work in there on the dress cover, on the lining of the seat and on the external shell is sort of modern references to heritage of Korean artwork and details. So it's really pushing quite hard on that.
We're taking these wonderful impressions of Korean textiles, promoting them in a very comfortable environment, and yet also being very durable, so they'll be long-lasting.
I was fortunate enough to work with our global agencies to identify new amenity kits, new beddings. We wanted to go with a market leader, so Frette is the vendor that was selected because of their presence in hospitality.
프레테의 침구류가 지상에서도 최상의 수면 환경을 제공하고 있듯이 하늘에서도 그 부분을 구현할 수 있는데 가장 중요한 역할을 할 수 있을 거라고 생각했습니다.
Passengers would like to really go on board and try to have a similar experience as the one that they enjoy at their own place. So Korean Air aim to bring the same experience and to almost have a flawless experience from one destination to the other destination with all the different touching points that Frette brought on board.
프레테에서 협업한 제품들은 침구 세트와 그리고 편의복 그리고 슬리퍼를 같이 협업해서 개발했습니다.
We crafted a program to mimic the same experience you could have at a 5-star hotel. Is really a trend in terms of sleeping in comfort but in an elegant way.
Frette, is synonymous with luxury bedding, being able to either replicate or even improve on what we do on the ground.
I prefer not doing a business if I need to compromise on the quality. Korean Air had a precise goal and they were committed, and throughout the process they never ever tried to find a shortcut and compromise on the quality of the product. This is something I believe unique within the airline companies.
We selected Graph as our partner to introduce the concept of our amenity being top of the class and also introduce our own fragrance scents to make them feel comfortable.
최고급 원석 재료와 그리고 독창적인 디자인으로 유명한 브랜드인 만큼 저희의 어메니티 파트너로서는 최고의 선택이었다고 생각합니다.
Certainly the environment is more challenging. The temperature of the air, the low relative humidity, the low air pressure, your skin dries out. So it's important to have a high quality amenity that you can put on your body to keep you refreshed, moisturized, and that also helps with ensuring you can get a good rest should you desire.
We believe this is a stepping stone to what the next Korean Air should be and where we want it to be. With the vision coming from our CEO, we just started our transformation. We believe other airlines will look at us and envy us from the changes that we make. We don't want to stop there. So we hope our customer stays tuned with us and give us the wowness that we're looking for.